world obsessed with speed, precision, and innovation, three machines rise above all others, not just as cars, but as visions of the future. These are not engines on wheels. They're masterpieces of motion, engineering, and emotion. This is car engineered, and these are the top three supercars of the future. Number 3. The Apexia 510. The Apexia V10 is not built to blend in. It's built to dominate. Every curve, every edge, every sculpted line of its liquid metal body serves one purpose: perfection through performance. A design so sharp it looks alive, slicing through air with a drag coefficient of just 0.27. From its blade-like LED headlights to its twin titanium exhausts, the Apexia V10 radiates aggression and grace in perfect balance. The sound it makes isn't a purr, it's a battle cry. Beneath its carbon fiber shell lies a 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10 engine, hand-built, precision-tuned, and unforgiving. 780 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 2.7 seconds, a top speed of 365 kilometers per hour. When it awakens, it doesn't start with a sound, it erupts. Every rev is a symphony of mechanical fury, each gear change a thunderclap of intent. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, launching you forward with brutal efficiency. Every corner, every straight, every heartbeat feels like part of a living rhythm between human and machine. Step inside, and the cockpit surrounds you like a fighter jet. Alcantara and carbon fiber wrap every surface. Forged titanium paddle shifters wait like triggers. The 12-inch adaptive display transforms from calm blue in comfort mode to fiery red in insanity mode. And when launch control engages, the world outside dissolves into streaks of light. But what makes the Apexia 510 remarkable isn't just its speed, it's its dual nature. Because in comfort mode, the monster becomes a gentleman. The exhaust softens to a low hum. The suspension relaxes. The beast takes a breath. The Apexia V10 is a declaration of passion, power, and precision. It doesn't ask for permission. It demands respect. And when it passes, time seems to slow. Because what you just witnessed is speed made visible. Number 2. The Aurora Veloz. The Aurora Veloz doesn't roar. It whispers, and somehow that whisper shakes the world. It isn't designed. It's sculpted. Its shape is born from air itself, smooth, flowing, purposeful. Every edge, every surface, every curve earns its place in the language of aerodynamics. The body is crafted from graphene-infused carbon composite, lighter than air, stronger than titanium. And its finish, spectral chrome, changes color with the light. Under the sun, it gleams silver. Under the moon, it glows like black glass. At its heart lies the Tri-Fusion Power Unit, a hybrid marvel that unites hydrogen, electricity, and turbine precision. A hydrogen micro-turbine feeds twin solid-state battery packs, sending power to 4 electric motors, one for each wheel. Together, they create 1,420 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. Top speed 435 kilometers per hour. Range over 1,200 kilometers on a single hydrogen refill. All of it with 0 emissions. Inside, the Aurora Veloz feels less like a cabin and more like consciousness itself. The dashboard, a seamless arc of glass, displays everything you need and nothing more. The seats are wrapped in lab-grown, suede, soft, sustainable, and alive with touch sensors. And then there's Aura, the car's onboard intelligence. She's not a voice assistant. She's a co-pilot, learning, adapting, and understanding your every move. Aura reads your pulse, your focus, even your fatigue. When you're calm, the car breathes easy. When your heart races, the Aurora sharpens its edge. Say, Aura, let's fly, and the car lowers itself. The suspension tightens, and the road becomes a runway. Say, Aura, take it slow, and the world softens. Lights dim, the ride smooths, and silence takes over. The Aurora Veloz doesn't drive. It glides guided by quantum LiDAR, scanning the road 500 times per second, adjusting before the pavement even changes. Every bump, every imperfection, erased before you reach it. Each Veloz is crafted in a zero-waste facility, powered by wind and solar. Every material is traceable, recyclable, and ethical. Even the tires infused with graphene heal themselves after puncture. The Aurora Veloz is the meeting point of beauty and purpose, silence and power. It's proof that speed can have a soul, and technology can have a conscience. Born from light, built for speed, driven by soul. The Aurora Veloz, the whisper of the future. Number 1. The Zephyrian X1. The Zephyrian X1 doesn't look like a car. It looks like the future escaped and forgot to close the door behind it. Every inch of its design is a live part sculpture, part organism, all-purpose. This is aeromorph design, a body that moves with the air. 200 adaptive sensors constantly reshape its microfins to redirect airflow in real time. At 300 kilometers per hour, the Zephyrian doesn't resist the wind, it commands it. Underneath that shape-shifting skin lies the Helios drive system, a triple hybrid powerhouse merging hydrogen combustion, solid-state electric boost, and air compression propulsion. The Zephyrian doesn't just use the wind, it turns it into thrust. 1,620 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 1.6 seconds. Top speed unknown, because no one has dared to push it far enough. Inside the Zephyrian lies what its creators call the Nexus, a cockpit where human and machine merge. No buttons, no dials, only light. A panoramic, holographic interface responds to your eyes, your voice, your gestures. The seats tighten with your heartbeat. The lighting shifts with your focus. The car doesn't wait for your command, it anticipates it. The steering system, NeuroDrive Sync, reads your neural patterns, mirroring your reflexes until it feels less like driving and more like telepathy. The sound of the Zephyrian isn't an exhaust note, it's a symphony. 3 tones, hydrogen, electric, and air blending into one resonant hum known as the velocity chord. You don't just hear it, you feel it vibrate through your chest. The chassis, made of liquid titanium and carbon weave, is 40% lighter and 5 times stronger than any hypercar before it. The glowing lines along its surface aren't decoration, they're conduits. The kinetic energy system channels excess motion back into stored power. The Zephyrian doesn't just drive, it evolves. Every mile you travel teaches it more. It learns your rhythm, your instincts, your limits, and if you dare to push them, it pushes with you. The Zephyrian X1 isn't a machine, it's motion, redefined, a creation that blurs the line between engineering and evolution, where technology breathes and the future takes form. The Zephyrian X1, the shape of tomorrow. 3 cars, 3 visions, 3 futures, the Apexia 510, the roar of perfection, the Aurora Veloz, the whisper of evolution, and the Zephyrian X1, the shape of tomorrow. These are not just supercars. They are the next chapter in humanity's obsession with speed. Because the future doesn't arrive, it accelerates. This is car engineered, and this is the future of speed.